Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to DV Dollars Premium Training video. Guys, in this video we are going to reveal a very big and a secret formula for earning millions of dollars. So guys, let's reveal it. The first step is how to do advertising. Guys, as you can see on your screen that there are two main types of advertisement. First is organic, that is free, and other is like Google ads, Facebook ads, and there are different companies from you can buy ads and promote your business. Moreover, there are many other types of advertisements as well, such as online, offline, and many more, etc., etc. But guys, in this video we will only focus on these two main types of advertisements. So guys, in this video, I will discuss in detail about organic traffic, that is free traffic, that you don't have to pay anything and you can promote your business from it. There are three proven sources for promote any business on your digital platform. So the first one is search engine. Search engine is like Google, on which you can promote your business through a website on Google. Second one is social media groups such as Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups, Instagram, and or any social media site. There are many social media sites on which you can promote your business. All these type of sites comes under the head of social media marketing. So guys, you can promote your business, you can generate traffic from social media. And the third is video distribution platform. The first and the biggest example of this type of proven source is YouTube, on which you are seeing my video and listening my voice. So guys, in this video we will talk about social media marketing because this is the fastest yet the cheapest way to promote your business on digital platform. It is the cheapest way to generate traffic that is free, that is organic traffic. So guys, we are now going to discuss about affiliate marketing digital cheat sheet. So guys, as you can see on your screen, look at this process chart that is appearing on your screen. Guys, this is the only 100% working process for people who are earning hefty amount of money by promoting their business online. Guys, this is 100% working formula if you want to earn millions of dollars from digital marketing. All the people who are earning good amount of money from digital marketing are using this process only. So guys, let's start. Guys, now I'm going to explain you everything very carefully in every detail, and you have to listen it and see it very carefully to understand this process easily. So guys, as you can see on your screen that first of all you place your ad here. Here is your ad, and here is social media. So guys, you must need to place your ad on social media site. It can be Facebook, WhatsApp, or any other social media site. And how should a ad look? How should you create your ad? I will also discuss that later in this video. So first you place your ad here, and whatever the traffic will be, you will drive that traffic on the landing page, groups, or bridge page. In landing page is a kind of a form having a username and email that goes into your autoresponder. For groups, you can enter the traffic into your groups, be it Facebook group, WhatsApp group, or any other social media group or platform. And for bridge page is a kind of a page. Whenever the person clicks on the page, it redirects the person towards the page, that is bridge page, and everything is listed there. It is a page where you can convince the buyer or the user to buy your product and to persuade him to make a purchase. Then the traffic goes into the autoresponder. So when you place your ad on social media, then you drive the traffic into the social media groups, landing page, and bridge page. But if you are a beginner, then my suggestion is to add them into your group, social groups, social media groups, that is Facebook group. Drive your traffic into groups. And guys, if you have good investment and you want to create a landing page, or if you want to pay, or if you can afford to pay a monthly subscription of the landing page, then you can create your own landing page. Guys, there are many low cost landing pages available where people are there who can create your landing page in lower prices, or even some sites or some creators do it for free. If you don't have any authentic source and budget for creating your landing page, then I will surely recommend you to go for WhatsApp group or any other social media group. Guys, after getting them into the group means after getting your traffic into the groups, you can direct the traffic towards autoresponder. Autoresponder is an email marketing software where people enter their email and autoresponder connects them with a landing page. Guys, in autoresponder, you make series of emails as you can see here on your screen, that series from Monday to Sunday. These series go to your traffic, which are the email IDs you have. So guys, the more email IDs you have, the more traffic you will have. So you can consider the email IDs as your traffic. You place your ad on social media, get the traffic into the group. If you have the autoresponder, then you will send the email to them on daily basis using autoresponder. But if you don't have autoresponder, then you must send them posts on daily basis in those groups describing product benefits, product uses. You will give beneficial product details in those posts. Okay guys, I hope it is clear now. You will also be seeing that how your email should look like. I will also discuss this in later in this video, that what type of email you should send. So guys, this is digital cheat sheet. You place your ad on the social media, you drive the traffic into the landing page, groups or bridge page. Then the traffic directs towards the autoresponder. In autoresponder, you have series of email and you have to send the daily email swipes to your traffic. If you have social media groups like WhatsApp group, you need to send daily based posts to them providing beneficial information regarding your product. Guys, if you have autoresponder or a broadcast software, you will be getting a free email series for you for promoting TV dollars just for free. Okay guys, let me clear with you one thing, that you can sell any digital product, affiliate marketing product using this type of digital cheat sheet. I hope guys the entire process it must be clear to you now. So let's just move on. So guys, let's just move towards the ad. What type of ad convert better? So guys, ad is the most important thing in this entire process. Ad is the most important thing, and major things, whatever your traffic will be, what will the response will be, everything mostly depends upon your ad. See guys, whatever your ad is, either it is a audio or a video, your ad must gain the attention of the user or the watcher in just first 5 seconds. Yes. And you must need to blow their mind with the result of the product. Yes, it is very important. And last but not the least, it must have a perfect call to action. See guys, these are the two ads appearing on your screen. I will compare them. I will make you understand that what type of ad you should have. I'm using these two ads just for an example to illustrate to you the difference between these two. See guys, mostly people are using this type of ad, as you can see here. Make money online. Like, see these who want to make money online. Just a simple ad it is. These are very simple words, and this ad is pretty simple and it does not gain your attention. It does not blow your mind. It does not have a perfect call to action. Guys, if you move to this side, see this ad. See this. This month I earned $299 with Facebook. If you are not making money with your Facebook account, comment info below. In this, guys, see this. If you are not, stress this. If you are not making money with Facebook account, this particular thing hit the mind of the user. Many people are out there on the Facebook who are struggling and they are not getting a proper way or a opportunity to earn money or to prosper themselves. So guys, this particular thing hits hard to the person reading it and it connects with its need and then it gains the attention of the person. And this thing, if you are not making money with Facebook account, this thing directly goes into the mind of the user. If you are not making money with Facebook account, comment info below. This thing, but comment info below. This thing has a perfect call to action and a strong call. So guys, let's just move on. See guys, there is a formula. It is a secret formula. This is a formula of DV dollars that I personally use. I personally use this formula and earn good amount of money from it. Trust me guys, I have earned millions of dollars from this formula. Now guys, I'm going to tell you what is this formula and how you can apply it to it. So guys, let's just start. See guys, you can see here on your screen that formula name is Eyes to Mind. I have given this name to this formula. Believe me guys, this is my personal and my very own creation and you cannot find this formula anywhere. See guys, what is this Eyes to Mind formula? If you follow this formula, this simple formula, I assure you that your every ad will be successful. Yes. So guys, see on your screen that here is a picture of a normal cycle. You can see it's a cycle. It's a simple cycle. Guys, see carefully. This is just a cycle, a normal cycle. It does not gain your attention. This is not something, unique or anything. It's a simple cycle. Nothing goes into your mind, nothing hits your mind. It's just a simple cycle that is limited to your eyes only. Now, guys, see here below. See this, here is a cycle with a person or something. It is attracting you, it is hitting you, it is hitting your mind that what this person is doing. It is a cycle, why it is inverted, why it is like this, what person is doing. There are thousands of questions that is arising in your mind. Now guys, think in your mind that you will take action on this or that. See guys, in the first picture that is here, it is a simple cycle. It does not convey you anything, it does not make you think anything. But the second picture, this is a bicycle with a person or something, but this is, attracting you, this is hitting you, this is gaining your attention, this is going into your mind, it is making you think. Definitely, guys, you will take action on this because this is something unusual. This picture, this ad will gain your attention because the first ad here, it is a simple ad and it is limited to your eyes only. But this is directly going into your mind, stressing on your mind to think. The ad which is limited to your eyes only, that doesn't make you think anything, that is limited to eyes only and that is not a perfect ad. And a ad which makes you think something, that is a good ad and that ad has a perfect call to action, that has a attention. So guys, you need to be careful while making your ad. You must be careful that your ad must be unique, it must be different, and it must go from the eyes to mind. See guys, curiosity is the best key of eyes to mind. If your ad has something curious, if your ad has something unique, you can easily apply eyes to mind formula in your ads. You just need to add something or some idea or something curious into your ad to create a curiosity to the user, to the watcher. So let's move on, guys. I'll show you some more examples that will make you more clear about it, that what is eyes to mind. See, guys, this is cat. It doesn't have anything. It is a simple picture. It is a usual animal that you usually see. This is a cat. There is no action, nothing. Again, it is limited to your eyes only. It is not going into your mind, not making you to think anything. It is not something curious, not something different. You just read it and it's all ended. See here. Oh, snake, snake. Check, guys. There is a strong action in your mind. It is something different. The reason behind it, it is a cat. It is a normal animal that you usually see. There is nothing something, curious. There is nothing something unique. But when you see a snake, you shout, you scare. And it is calling a very, very strong action. See again, guys. This is a cat. Oh, snake, snake. See, guys, how powerful impact it is giving. Oh, snake, snake. When you see a cat, there is no strong action because you usually see a cat. It is a normal thing for you. But when you see a snake, you get scared. This is something unusual. If you see the snake in your home, what will you do? You will shout, you will get scared. But if you see the cat in your home, you will not be surprised. So, guys, if you apply these things in your advertisements or ads, you will get success. It will have a very strong action. It will make the user or the watcher to take a strong action. It will have a powerful impact. Now, guys, compare snake, strong action, cat, no action because it is a normal thing. So, the most important thing that is you will apply eyes to mind formula in your ad by adding something different, something unique into your ads. With the help of curiosity, you can add something curious to make the watcher think. When you apply eyes to mind formula in your ads, your every ad will be successful, your every ad will have a strong call to action. Only one successful ad can give you thousands of money. I'm right, trust me, guys. Guys, see on the ClickBank there is a top market that has per day earning of $18,000. The creator of that thing has only 20 images. Yes, trust me, 20 images only. And he has put the price of 20 images for $20,000. He is earning from 20 images only. What that person has? He has eyes to mind formula. His ads has eyes to mind. His ads goes directly from eyes to mind. I hope, guys, that the comparison I just showed you made you very clear about this formula, and now you are very clear that what type of ad should you create. So, guys, let's move on and see that what type of follow-up emails or messages you must send. Now that we are more than clear about what type of ad should we create, now we are moving towards the creation of follow-up messages. So now let's see that what type of follow-up messages you must create. I just showed you guys a moment ago that how you can add curiosity to your ads, or you can show results as well. You can show a good result of your ad, or you can add something curious to make them think, to make the ad go from eyes to mind. So guys, you can either show very good results of your ad, basically for the product or a service you're offering, or you can add something curious to make them take strong action, to create a strong call to action. Then your ad will directly go from eyes to mind of the watcher or to the person who is watching the ad. Because eyes don't take action, but mind does take action. So there is a difference, guys, and you need to be careful about it. So what type of email follow-up messages you must send? Let's talk about it, guys. Emails or post, how your email and post should look like, how must you write those things to attract the people to make a strong call to action. So guys, whenever some member enters into your autoresponder or your group, first of all, you must welcome him or her by saying welcome and thank you. You must send them welcoming email or welcoming post to that person if in the group, email if in the autoresponder. So for day one, you will send a welcome message to them, a welcome email to them. In day two, you need to tell the benefits, you need to tell the effects of this profile or business on your life. What benefits did it add to your life? What benefits did this business, did this profile bring in your life? You need to tell this in day two. After that, you must take it on like a series, day 3, day 4, day 5, and so on. Other people's success story, people admire, people inspired. If this see someone who is getting success from the same thing, it motivates them to take the same action. So it's very important to tell them the other success stories, who the people who get successful by using that particular product or service. You also need to send your results, that how much you are earning, what benefit it is giving to you, by motivating them, by showing them the reality. They can connect with you, they can think that they can also get successful like this. You need to send it on daily basis, your earning, your benefits, other people earning. You must inspire them, you must persuade them, you must convince them. For example, guys, if you're talking about a weight loss product, you must tell them what that particular product bring in your weight, how much weight you reduced by using that product, other people how much they lost, and stuff like that, to motivate them, to inspire them, to convince them to take action. So guys, you need to remember these things, your benefits, what it does to you, what it did to you, other people's stories, that how many people got benefit from this product or particular thing, and how many people are satisfied with it. This thing, will go into their mind, make them think, make them take action. Besides this, you can use some monetary incentives, like offering them bonuses, slashing discounts, offering them discounts. See, guys, results proof. This is a very important thing. The more you show them the results, because people believe in facts, people believe in reality, and when you show it, they start believing it. Yes, results proof. For example, you are showing a particular result of the product, you are making them compare between before and after, which is real. That thing will attract them the most. Results proof, earning proof, that this is the amount you are making from this particular thing. This will motivate them that yes, they can also earn this amount of money if you are earning. The more proofs you show, the product proofs, earning proofs, the more they will be attracted, the more it will get better. The more results proof you show, the more people will be inclined to buy your product, to use your product. See, guys, if you want to make someone to buy your product, convincing is just not enough. You need to persuade them, you need to inspire them, that they start admiring your product, that they think that, wow, this is the thing that I need. Convincing isn't enough. You need to inspire them. It is a higher stage, and they will be inspired by using these things. You're showing the results, you're showing the earning proofs, you're showing the success stories, you're showing your own success story. You are discussing with them that what benefits it bring in your life, what other people are getting from it. And when you show them the real success stories, the real results proof, the facts, the figures, they will be inspired. They will be not just convinced that yes, it is a good product. No, they will be inspired that this product is amazing. This is for me. And after getting inspired from the success stories, yours, of others, earning proofs, result proof, product benefits in your life, in other life, they will come to you. They will be inclined, they will be inspired, they will be motivated to come to you and buy your product. You need to never convince them like, please buy this product is this product is that. No, you need to inspire them, show them results, show them proof, Show them success stories. Let them know that what product is doing, what other people are getting from it. These particular things will go into their mind, will convince them, not only convince them, will inspire them. It is a higher stage. Again, guys, I'm telling you, inspiring, it's the most important thing. Not convincing, inspiring. So guys, I'm pretty sure that this type of follow-up messages, you are more than clear about that what type of follow-up emails or messages you must send into your autoresponder or in your groups. And remember, the first email or message would be a welcoming message to make them, happy that, you are welcoming them into your group or community or something. It will give a good impression. Okay, guys, lastly, I'm going to tell you 10 important things that you need to keep in mind. Okay, these things are very important and you must need to remember this and keep these in your mind while creating your ad and while doing these type of things. It will help you a lot. You must be very careful for these 10 things in doing digital marketing. Okay, guys, it is very important. Because guys, if you miss on any of these things out of 10 things, you will not be successful. Your business will not land successfully into the market. So guys, first of all, you don't need to post too much. You have seen that some people are there, they start on the very first day, they start posting so much, 20 to 25 ads per day. So it comes under spam. And this over posting and over emails and over messages will cause irritation to the people, to your members, and they will be irritated that what is that, and these all things comes under spam. See guys, second thing is you can't make people fool, okay? And this is not ethical, and this is not something legal, and this is not something right even. You can't send them wrong products, you can't sell them wrong products, you can't do this, and this is not right. Guys, keep in mind that the product you are selling is 100% genuine and is not causing any harm to the user, and this is a right product. Okay, you cannot make anyone fool. It will not give good results in the long term. And the product which you are selling must be genuine, because if the people are searching for the product, they get good results, they can good research, and then your results and their research can match, and they can be inspired and convinced to buy your product. Guys, you must have seen that there are people that are selling product without any value, and they are keep posting and not getting any money and not making profit. They can't sell these type of products in the long run, because people are not fool, and the people will keep on buying those products who keep adding value, who keep adding benefits into their lives. They will buy the products which give good impacts in their life, which add something good into their life. So guys, you need to be you need to be respected and give respect to the privacy of your subscriber. Okay, this is very important, you must respect it. Then you must show them consistency, that the value is consistent. You must be consistent in your work on the daily basis, whether you are doing it on autoresponder like an email or doing in the group. You must be consistent in your work. Whatever is going on, you must carry on your work. No matter if one person or two-person is not opening your email or messages, group messages or email in the autoresponder, you must carry on your work like it is a consistent thing, and you must be consistent on it. Because your consistent performance, your consistent work performance will definitely lead to good results. If you want good earning, if you want to be successful, then consistency is very important element in all this. Now, you must need to be professional, and you need to show professionalism to the people. See guys, no matter what product you are selling, what service you are offering, you must show professionalism into your field. You must show the user, you must show the people, the potential buyer, that you have enough knowledge and you are a professional. And you can show that by setting your Facebook profile as a professional, and you don't need to add anything negative in your post. You must, even you never should add a negative thing that is not going with your work that you're offering to the people, so that they can see that your life and your product and your business, everything is aligned. So now let's look on niches, that you must not mix up the niches, okay? See guys, niche is like in category. It's like a category that you must never mix things. Like there are waist loss products, there are other products, there are sport products, and everything is getting mixed up. You must be a professional and keep every niche aligned and different. You must send the offer to the traffic. You must know your traffic, and then you must send an attractive offer attractive offer to your traffic that is going with their likes. Okay, means your traffic and the offer must be for each other. Okay guys, you must send the traffic, the targeted traffic, the offer which is best for them. Okay, specific niche. Okay guys, let's move on now. You don't need to force people to buy things. You cannot force anyone, you cannot convince anyone. What you need to do, you need to inspire. And guys, as I mentioned earlier, that you can inspire them by showing them results proof, earning proof, your success story, what is the product or service doing to you, what others are getting from it. As I already mentioned these type of things in this video pack, you need to be careful and you need to show them results, you need to show them proofs to make them inspired. Again, inspire is a higher stage. You need to inspire people. Now see guys, always try to build trust. Guys, trust is a very important thing everywhere in the world. And that is highly important while you are doing marketing, because trust gain attention. So guys, you need to try to build up a good level of trust with your subscriber or with your members of your group or autoresponder. From the day one, you don't need to think that no, I want to sell a particular product to this and this story ends. No, you need to create a long-term relationship, long-term trust. Then only the people will be inclined towards you, they will be inspired towards you or your product or your service. Whoever is talking with you, whoever the person is, whoever your potential buyer is, just start talking first. You do not try to send offer directly like take this, buy this. No, talk with them, listen to them. Doing these type of things create trust level. See guys, trust is very important thing. Just think guys, if someone out of your friend comes to you and say this product, particular product, let's say XYZ product is very good and he is using that, please buy this product, you will obviously go and buy at first hand, because there is a trust between you and your friend and you believe your friend that yes, this product works. Or for example, any other person, a stranger comes to you and tell you this is a good product and this and that, you will not believe because trust is missing out of it. So you need to build trust first. Talk to them, ask them the preferences, ask them what they are doing, why they are using this product, what is their problem, what particular thing is missing that they are looking for, what is that particular thing that can solve their particular problem. Talk with them. You will never buy until your trust builds with that stranger. You will believe your friend at first hand, but you will not believe a stranger at first hand. The main reason is trust. You can build trust by sending them your personal messages, product benefits, your success story, other success stories. Question them, ask them, help them, talk to them. From your email list or your group list, the members in your group or the members in your email list, you ask them, you talk to them, you ask them their problem, why they're using that particular product, how can you help them, to build trust. Ask them any question that you think that can build trust. You can talk to them, you can make them talk to you. The more you personally talk to them, the more you send personal messages to them, the more they will have trust in you, and then you can inspire them. See, guys, you must be careful in this point. Post, that is post in limit. You must be careful, means that you must be careful that you must post limited posts, not overflow it. Okay, guys, this does not mean that if you have a list, you send 20 emails, 20 posts, 20 messages to into your emails on your autoresponder or your group. This is not right. You need to post in limit. So, guys, daily 1 to 2 emails or group posts are more than enough for the users, and it is a very fair way to do your work. First of all, I personally recommend you to keep one email a day or a one group post or a post one day per post. For email, I recommend you one email per day. For post, you can do two posts per day. I can recommend you this. So, guys, last but not the least, be patient. And this thing is important. I'll tell you why. Guys, patience is the key thing in this field. Trust me, guys, it is. Guys, one note, if you will not be patient, you will be failed. I repeat again, if you will not be patient, you will be failed. Exactly, you will fail if you will not be patient. If you keep patience in your control, if you keep yourself patient, I guarantee you in the long run you will be successful. I am telling you this. I can assure you this. So guys, I hope now that Affiliate Digital Cheat Sheet is much more clear to you now, and you know that what type of ad, what type of email, what type of post you must send, how you should do that. You don't need to convince them, but you need to inspire them, and things which I told you to keep in the mind, these are very important things. Most of all, you must depend upon results, proofs, not just saying and not just convincing, but inspiring by showing them reality. And I also hope that, guys, you will surely apply this formula, these type of things in your ad, and you will be successful, inshallah ta'ala. Friends, use this to promote DV dollars. I can guarantee you, you can daily earn from $50 to $100 daily by promoting DV dollars, DV dollars. Because, guys, DV dollars is an amazing thing. It is an amazing product that teaches people to make money online, to earn online. And it is benefiting many people, many people. Trust me, guys. Besides this, DV dollar also provide lessons to the people. DV dollars also give them digital franchise through which you can send those people can sell that product DV dollars, promote DV dollars, and earn money. So guys, you must have seen that DV dollars is very useful thing. It has many informative lessons for you. And guys, whatever things I have put here, these all are here to benefit and to make the life of people easier. So, DV Dollars is a problem solving product. Yes, it is. So, guys, promote DV Dollars, and whoever buys your product, he or she will be highly thankful to you. I hope, guys, you will implement on this formula that I told you in this video today, and I'm hopeful that you will be promoting DV Dollars and people will be making their life easier and people will be getting successful from it, inshallah. Okay, guys, see you in the next session. Be positive, be healthy, stay happy.